we have a close-up. That is gone rogue. So we're going to show you how to do lights, and all of them, how to replace them. Let's start in the back. Now, I took this out before, and then I wondered, is this thing sealed? And I want to say, yes, it is. I'm going to search this up, because I would love to find out why I have to replace this whole thing for a bulb that's in there. Should I try to open this thing? I want to say no, because I think I'm going to crack it. It definitely looks sealed, but I'm going to try it anyway. So I googled this number, and this is ridiculous. Why do I have to buy this whole thing for a bulb that is completely sealed? Now, I can't even say that we're terrible people as human beings, but why? Why do I have to do this? Why would someone manufacture something like this? Does this have a shelf life of like 3 million years? I hope so. It better be. Well, that's how you take it out. Same with the other side. Pop them out. You probably use your finger, look. Seriously? Unbelievable. Well, let's keep moving forward because we can't do anything about that other than point out the facts. So, now we've got tools like this and this. Let's take out the back LED. Or incandescent, because we have to show you how to change them to LED. So, let's do that and take this off. In my hand. So, in the cracks. This set here. You put this right in the crack. In the cracking. And she'll pop out. She'll pop out. Not a big deal because these guys hold it in. Alright, now. See this little indent right there? Where it looks like you can put a flathead just like this guy. I have them in my description, yeah. Right there. And work your way around. And I already popped it out. And you can get to this back light right here. Now, carefully, Wesley. Carefully. Oh my god, there's a screw? You gotta be kidding me. What the hell is up with Nissan? I swear. Not a big fan. Not a big fan. Tiny screwdriver for a tiny screw. That will expose this wonderful 2.5 minute ordeal of this bulb. I'm going to put in my hand and show you what it is, because I am curious as well. Is it on this side? A12, I guess. There you go, A12. Not an F12 or a B12, C12. Nowadays, they don't even use the letters. So put this guy back and move on to the next one. And I will show you how I popped it out, because it is pretty simple. To put the screw back. And snap. There you go. Plug it back in. Let's see if we can get this one hand. And we're, oh, as we drop it and break it. No, I didn't break it. Put this guy back. Show you what I did. There we go. Don't touch it, it's hot. And then, there you go. So it comes out so. You see? Moving on. Ta-da! Again, with this guy. I went right in between this puppy and caught up under here. There's a little tab right here that holds in place. A little tab over here, so you gotta work your way. Kind of tough with one hand, but not a big fan of Nissan these days. Yeah. You see, sort of wanna weasel. It'll come off. And this is handy dandy. Pull out with your hand, and let's see what this is, which is the typical interior bulbs. I'll put the link in the description as usual. What is this thing? I can't even tell. Now we know. Put it back and move on. Just make sure they snap back, or at least get the gap out of the way so they're stuck back in. Yes, they're still incandescent. We're going to change them to LED because I don't have any. Moving on. I got the front. Same thing. Now I'm using my right hand. Show you. Let me see. I don't want to get up and around it. Can you do it? Can I do it? One-handed? How easy is it? Not that easy. Let me get it off. Let me win. So as I pried, I helped with my left hand. As I pried with my right hand. And now you can sort of do it with one hand. Sort of. These little tabs. You sort of have to be careful. Because you can cut yourself. Don't do that. I didn't. But same bulbs. Same bulbs. So I'll put the link in the description so you get the idea. Alright. Don't forget about these for the interior. Same bulbs. All the same bulbs. So this, I assume you just sort of squeeze and put back up. But I'm going to show you how to actually take them out, which is really just a matter of grabbing them and pulling them. Well, that's easy. Now, let's go back and tell you what we want to tell you. Plug them back in, and I'm going to say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.